What's up, my friends? I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs. In today's video, I want to talk to you guys about tires, and really tires on an RV. So if you have an RV and you're thinking about doing our lift kit on there, I want to show you what it's going to look like with tires and without tires. Now, both of these RVs behind me are both going to have 6-inch lifts on them, so that is going to be pretty equal. We're not going to be really doing any measurements on these, just doing kind of a visual. So you can see this is a 6-inch kit on there, and this has a 235/85/16. So it's a lot bigger tire on there, and it's going to be definitely more aggressive. The benefit in running a larger tire like this is going to be a couple of things. It's going to really, in my opinion, it's going to handle better on the road, meaning that, if you live in an area that has potholes or, just the roads aren't that great. I talk to a lot of people up in Canada that say the roads are just poop. You're definitely going to benefit from running a larger tire like this. Now, when you get off-road and you're going to your favorite camp spot, whether it be graded roads or just even, you get the little whoop-de-doos as you head out to your camp spot, that's also going to be really beneficial because it's a bigger footprint. Also, if you do onboard air or have air, you have the ability to really air down your tires in the rear, and that's going to really help as well with that big footprint. When we come over to here, you're going to see that this is a lot smaller tire, and typically what comes stock on these RVs is going to be a 225/75/16. So right there, 225/75/16. They're both going to be an E-rated tire, but you can see just the difference in how small this is. Another thing that you're going to notice is this still has the chrome hubcaps. And as you noticed on the other RV, something to keep in mind if you want to change the look of your RV without spending a lot of money, I definitely recommend doing, you can powder coat the hubcaps, and it's, a big improvement and looks nice. I would also tell you, you can also do the bumper in black too, makes a big difference. And lastly, these do have the chrome grills, and if your RV has black mirrors like this, I'd say, hey, black that out as well. We do a blackout package, but these are just simple things that you can do. You can find these grills on eBay for fairly inexpensive. So just wanted to show you guys two RVs, two different size tires, and the big difference in how it looks once they're done. So that's all I have. If you guys have questions on tires or RV lift kits, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer them. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video.